Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out for a bit and checking out today's video. We're going to be unboxing two different types of Boxycharms. We have the base box and also the premium box. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So we're going to be unboxing two different Boxycharms. We have the base box, which is $25 a month, and then we also have the premium box, which is $35 a month. Now, just a little disclaimer, these were sent to me for reviewing purposes. Leave the link for Boxycharm down below in the description box. Let's first start with the base box, the postcard this month, and it just says Boxycharm XOXO. For the version, I'm actually going to put it here on the screen because normally it will say like 12, 13, but this time it's like a long number. First thing we have in here, it's from the brand Blvd. I believe that's how you say Blvd. Pink sparkly case. Oh, these are so pretty. I mean, they're nice and soft. Shader brush, you have an angled brush, a little blending, and then this one, which would be great for like the inner eye corners or like cutting the crease. You have the pink ferrule, and then I love the handles. I mean, how fun is that, right? It's got like little hearts in it. Pink Luxe glittery eye brush collection. This set features 4 essential eye brushes, ultra soft duo synthetic bristles, make blending easy and flawless, and this retails for $29.95. Next up, we have from the brand Tula, and I am a huge fan of Tula products. I've tried out a few of their things and have absolutely loved it. This is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. And this retails for $32. From the brand The Brow Bar, which I don't believe I've ever tried, Bombshell Brow Kit. Packaging is very pretty, and I have this shade Dark, which is going to be perfect, I hope. What's inside? All in one little kit. Angled brush with a spoolie. The brush is kind of soft. 3 different shades. Brow pencil as well. Have a dark brown. Tweezers. Highlight brow bone shadow. Is it? Oh, no! Here I am thinking it's a pomade. It's not. So it's actually a powder. And then you have here the little wax at the very bottom to kind of set the brows. Chic, sleek, compact includes tweezers, brow pencil, 2-sided spoolie with brush, highlighter, concealer. Was that concealer? And 2 shades of brow powder, and this retails for $40. Here I was thinking that this is a wax, but it's a concealer. And that's Evo Beauty, and this is the Pore Effect Primer Matte Finish. All right. A moisturizing primer with a matte finish that will create a smooth base for your foundation and help it last all day. With everyday use, your skin will experience the benefits of great ingredients like green tea to soothe the skin and minimize the appearance of pores while reducing any redness. And this retails for $23. Let's open this. Especially if it's any like pore reducing primer, all about it. Doesn't really have a scent, so that's a good thing, and it has more of like a lotion type of feel. Brand The Beauty Crop, and it's a cocoa gold mist. Love the packaging. Like all these little gold flecks. Hydrating fine mist envelops skin in moisture and helps set and refresh your makeup look. Cocoa gold mist includes a delicate amount of a gold pearlescent shimmer that imparts a radiant glow while boosting hydration, and this retails for $14.99. Kind of reminds me of like the Matte Fix Plus, right? Has like a coconutty scent to it. So let's move on now to the premium box, and this will run you $35 a month, and inside you're guaranteed 6 full-size items. From the brand Farsali, it's the Rose Gold Elixir. Ooh, never tried anything from Farsali. It smells like rose petals and it has like little tiny flecks of gold. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. Weightless gel cream instantly adds lush hydration to the skin while keeping it supple and leaving a natural shine-free glow, and this retails for $39. Bali Balm. It's a sweet orange and coconut lip balm. Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and a silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips, and this retails for $33. Dang, this is an expensive little thing, right? Elemis, and this is the Muscle Ease Active Body Oil. Ooh, it's got a very fancy bottle. Fast absorbing oil that contains a powerful synergy of extracts to help relax and ease tension of tired muscles. Infused with maritime pine, sea buckthorn, sea fennel, and rosemary essential oil, it envelops you in a calming, uplifting fragrance while softening and soothing the skin. And this retails for $63.50. Dang. And Rodial, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this is the Soft Focus Glow Drops. That looks very, very pretty. Almost like roses. Ooh. The Skincare Makeup Hybrid is a next-generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. And this retails for $60. Wow, that is pricey, but I can definitely see that kind of radiance that it gives. Tarte, and this is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner in black. So on one side, you have a pencil. And then on the other side, the actual liner. Ooh, I already know I'm going to be using this for sure. This best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner that has waterproof liquid and gel formulas will cause some serious double takes. This product is full-size, made for charmers, and it's not for retail sale. And this retails for $24. Love me some black eyeliner. And Tarte, this is the Man Eater Mascara. I believe I already have one of this, but I haven't opened it yet. It's the Voluptuous Mascara, volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula, and it retails for $23. Here's what the bristle looks like, just for reference. I don't want to open it because I still am using a couple other mascaras at the moment. If you're going to ask me honestly which box do I prefer between the base box and the premium, to be honest, I still prefer the base box just because it's $25. You do receive 5 full-size products. The brushes I know for sure I'm going to be using. Also, I'm going to be trying out the brow product, Tula So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub, because we love extracting those blackheads. And I'm also curious to try out the Pore Effect Primer as well. Please let me know what did you think of the 2 boxes. Which one did you prefer more? If you received Boxycharm, would love to know what was in your box. I just want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me for a bit. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video.